Guys, and please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Please check it. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. All right. All right. Thank you. All right. Good morning, guys. And in the last session, just I given some information related to Java and J2EE. Then what exactly the parts which are available in a Java programming language. See, if we observe this content now, Java is available in three parts that we know already. What are the three parts of Java? First one is J2SE or Java SE. Second one is J2EE or Java EE. And the third one is J2ME or Java ME. Overall, these are the three parts which are available. Then about each and every one we understood clearly in the last session. Some points what I discussed there. J2SE stands for Java 2 Standard Edition, and it will cover only basics or fundamentals of the Java. By using these basics or fundamentals, we can prepare only standalone applications. Next one, what is the standalone application? I given some definition here. If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that applications are called as standalone applications. Next one, any examples for the standalone applications? Calculator in our computer, maybe Paint, Notepad, Eclipse IDE, and everything is come under standalone applications. How many applications are standalone applications in outside there? Only 5% of the applications are standalone applications. Next one is J2EE. We understood there. Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Right, sir. This Java 2 Enterprise Edition will cover server-side programming. By using server-side programming, we will prepare either distributed applications or enterprise applications. Both are same. Then what is this distributed application or enterprise application? Actually, if we design and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as distributed application or an enterprise application. How many applications are distributed applications now? 95% of the applications are distributed applications. Examples for distributed applications there, already given that examples there. All banking applications are distributed applications. All e-commerce applications are distributed applications, and so on. Social network applications are distributed applications. Food delivery applications are distributed applications, and so on. Everything, any area, on every domain, every application is related to distributed applications. That's okay, fine. Next one is J2ME. What is this J2ME actually? Java 2 Micro Edition. What it will cover? It will cover micro programming. Next one, by using micro programming, we are able to prepare which type of applications now? Mobile based applications. If we design and execute any application on the basis of mobile hardware architecture, then that application is called as mobile based applications. How many applications are mobile based applications now? 100% of the applications are what there? Mobile based applications nowadays in outside maximum. For every sector, every area, there is a mobile application there now. Right, so next, what are the examples for these mobile based applications there? We can understand my Airtel app, my Airtel app, my Vodafone app, for the sake of paying bills for monthly for Airtel account or maybe Vodafone or maybe Idea, then we are having some other. Next one is to open Facebook. Facebook app we have to install in our mobile. So that Facebook app is also a mobile based application. YouTube, best example is YouTube app is available. If you want to open YouTube in our mobile phone, there YouTube app is available that we have to install in our mobile phone. Like this, number of examples are available for these mobile based applications. Now, out of these three technologies, out of these three things now, which one is getting more demand in outside market here? J2EE. Less demand is available for what there? Next less demand is a J2SE. No demand is available for what there? J2ME. But mobile application development is having somewhat demand in outside, but J2ME is not having much demand in outside here. That's a problem now. Due to this reason, we are not going to understand this J2ME at any cost. Maximum we are going to see J2SE and J2EE. Guys, all of you are getting my point or not? Right. Now, today, let us talk some information about our courses and what we are going to provide the support to all of you guys. Let me give some commitments on this today's session. Automatically, the same might be words I'm going to follow throughout our course now. First of all, let me check. Let me give information to you regarding this. Um, what exactly the advantages of this course? Guys, I will talk about the subject definitely. Within 5 to 10 minutes, I'll complete it. Then I'll talk about the subject. Don't worry for it. Advantage of this course. What are the various advantages of this courses now? Now, observe carefully. Before these advantages, I'm telling to you, today we are taking demo class, for example, in your point of view, which batches I started in today's session. What are the various batches I started in today's session? Now, anyway, I'm taking this core Java class now. But what are the various batches we started here? If we come for this point, answers are very clear. Understand it now. First one is batch 1, core Java. We can think of it only if you are coming for only core Java. Today is the first class. We can think might be yesterday and today are the demo classes or sample classes there. Okay, this is batch 1. Next one is batch 2. Here we are starting basic Java package. Batch 2 is what their basic Java package. This is one package, no? Here what topics are going to be covered inside this basic Java package now? Observe carefully. First one is like what their core Java. Core Java is available is one topic, one subject. Next one is advanced Java. Next one is Oracle. Next one is like what their UI technologies. UI technologies. These UI technologies are including HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, then after that JavaScript, jQuery. Right, sir. These content, these are the courses which are going to be existed in UI technologies part. So these 4 courses are going to be existed inside like what? No, batch 2. That is basic Java package. So inside this basic Java, core Java is available or not? Understand it? Today is the first class for core Java. Along with core Java, we started basic Java package also. For advanced Java, Oracle and UI technologies, I will give schedule. Further schedule I will provide there. But today we started core Java. Regarding remaining courses, I will give further schedule. Guys, just give a minute of time. Minute of time. Vadiraj Joshi. Vadiraj Joshi. Then can you please type your question there? I can give reply on an instant if you have anything. Okay. Vadiraj Joshi, are you listening what I'm telling you now? You continuously are sending messages. No, just type your question there. I'll give response to you. Don't worry. Okay. Then continuously I'm watching your message, guys, and those are in online. I'm continuously watching your questions there, and please type your questions there. Instantly I will give answers to you. Don't worry for it. Okay. Right. Thank you. All right, guys. Now observe carefully. In basic Java, core Java today I started there. Advanced Java, Oracle and UI technologies. These classes, schedules I will provide to you. Don't worry for it. This is one thing. Next one is batch 4, batch 3. What we started there, complete Java package. Now this is complete Java package. Inside this complete Java package, what I'm able to provide there, core Java. Next one is like what there, advanced Java. Next one is a Hibernate. Then after that, Spring Boot. Next one is a microservices. Then after this Spring Boot microservices, web services. Then after that Oracle, then UI technologies basic part. Then again here I'm telling there UI technologies in the sense these many topics only, not including Angular, React, no, not required at present. So this is a complete Java package. Observe carefully. Up to this part is mainly Java stream, totally Java stream. But to do practice on Java applications, we need Oracle and as well as like what there UI technologies we required. So because of that reason, we included these two concepts inside this content here. Then apart from this, some real-time tools also here we are going to be covered. Real-time tools, like what real-time tools here we are going to be covered here. We can observe this clearly. Majorly Maven. Next one is like what there log4j, log4j. These two things we are going to be covered as per these real-time tools there with respect to the Java application development. Maven, definitely. Without Maven, we are unable to prepare the applications. Definitely, we have to use Maven. So mandatorily, we need to cover Maven. Log4j also we are going to see clearly. Right, sir. Now these are about like what now? Batch 3. We can understand. Similarly, next batch, fourth batch is like what there? Full stack Java. Full stack Java developer. Full stack Java developer. This is the fourth batch here. Understand clearly, guys? Core Java individual batch, Core Java is available today is a demo class. In basic Java, Core Java is available for you also the demo class today. For complete Java, Core Java is available here also be demo class I'm taking there. Next, full stack Java developer course. Inside this full stack Java developer course, observe carefully. Now, Core Java is existed, advanced Java is also existed. Next one is a Hibernate. Next one is Spring and a Spring Boot. Next one is a microservices. Next one is a web services. Then after this, microservices and web services. Next one is you'll get the Oracle. The next one is UI technologies. Like all these basics of UI technologies we are able to get. Apart from this UI technologies, next one is like what there? Angular or React. Both are alternatives. Either of these here we can understand. Angular or React JS. Both are alternatives. Somewhat older one is Angular. Newer one is what? React JS. Your option. Anyone we can select here from these two. No. Then after this Angular or React JS, next one is like what there? Linux. Next one is Cloud, AWS, Amazon Web Services. Then after that, DevOps tools like Jenkins and Kubernetes and like Ansible, Chef, like this. Different tools are existed here. Right. These things here we are providing there. The next one is, then after that, then what next one here after completion of these DevOps tools? All right. Now testing tools, manual and Selenium. These two things here we are going to be covered. Now this is about like what there? Full stack Java development. Understand clearly? Okay, fine. Full stack Java development course is going on here. I'll give some clarity, Right, sir. And then after that, what next one here? These are the 4 batches. Inside this batch also here, what we are having there, core Java is existed. Am I right or not? Inside this also here, what we are having there, core Java is existed. Today, I'm taking this core Java for full stack Java developer, for a complete Java package, basic Java package, and individually if you are coming for core Java, for all of them, this is a core Java today. Get my point now? Then remaining courses schedule, I will provide to you later on. Definitely, all the remaining courses schedule we will provide later on. Observe carefully. Next, what I'm telling to you, apart from this, even the courses schedule is also be planned, clearly planned there. Try to understand it. Now tell me, guys. Core Java we started at 10 o'clock. Am I right or not? 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. We are taking this core Java. Am I right or not? Observe carefully what I'm telling to you. Up to 15 days of time. Up to 15 days of time, we will have a session at 10 a.m. Please recognize this what I'm telling to you. Okay, listen carefully. After 15 days of time, I will take this class at 8:30 to 10 a.m. Please recognize this one. Only one change. No other changes. No. This time actually because of some busy schedules, introduction classes, one or two topics I'm trying to discuss at 10 o'clock. After 15 days of time, 10 to 15 days of time, I will take your classes at what time they know? 8:30 to 10. Up to 10 days of time, you have to come at 10 o'clock. After 10 to 15 days of time, you have to come at what time they know? 8:30 to 10. That 8:30 to 10 o'clock is your permanent core Java class timing. 8:30 to 10 o'clock is your permanent core Java timing. Only 10 to 15 days of time, 10 to 11:30 I will take. After that, 8:30 to 10 o'clock I will take. That up to the end of the core Java, I will take 8:30 to 10 o'clock. Only the change. Apart from that, I don't have any changes yet. That is one thing now. So now tell me, your core Java permanent time will be what? What is the permanent timing there now? 8:30 to 10 o'clock is a permanent timing. Up to 10 days of time, no adjustments are available. That's why I'm conducting these demo classes or maybe introduction classes at 10 to 11:30. Is that point is clear to all of you guys? Then if you're free for the time, then it will be good thing for us. Easily I can complete our content. That's okay, fine. Next, next, another thing here, what I'm telling to you, apart from this, listen carefully. After 1 month of time, after 1 month or 1.5 month of time, after 1 month of time, what I'm telling to you, after 1 month of time, I will start advanced Java class 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. for what their advanced Java class. 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. advanced Java class I'm going to start. After how many days of time there? After 1 month of time. So your timing for Java. Finally, what about your timings for Java there? Now tell me 8:30 to 10 is for what they know? Core Java. Am I right or not? 8:30 to 10 core Java. And then after that, before that, 7 to 8:30. 7 to 8:30 is for what their advanced Java. Am I right or not? Observe carefully. These two timings I want to utilize for total Java. Core Java, Advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring, Web Services, Microservices. The total, these two timings only, I want to fix for the total Java stream. All of you get my point or not? Total Java stream is for these two timings only. Right, sir. Observe carefully what I am telling you know. All right, sir. First of all, I will start core Java here in this time there. Maybe 10 days of time I will take at 10 o'clock. I am not including that. After 10 days of time, we have to come at what time they know? 8:30 to 10 only. That is a fixed content here that we can understand now. So final time is what there? 8:30 to 10 o'clock is for core Java. Core Java is going on. After 1 month of time, after 1 month of time, I will start what they know. I will start what they know advanced Java at 7 to 8:30. It means it doesn't mean that within 1 month of time I'm going to complete core Java. No, core Java will not be completed within 1 month of time. Sure, but required basics of advanced Java will be covered inside the core Java within this 1 month. Within this 1 month, whatever the basics we require from core Java to move for advanced Java, that basics I will complete inside the core Java. On the basis of that, you can start advanced Java. That's the point I'm telling there. But at core Java, minimum it will take 2.5 to 3 months of time. Minimum. Okay, you can expect 3 months of time. Why? Because vast syllabus I have to cover. I will give that core Java syllabus also. What I'm going to be covered. Up to Java 18 version, I have to discuss that. By the time of completing your batch, if Java 19 is available, I have to take that Java 19 also. So here itself, I'm giving word to you up to Java 18 version. I have to discuss with you. So core Java is the best. There are no conditions on it. Max time I will take, max 3 months of time I have to take to complete what? Core Java. But within 1 month of time, I may complete what their OOPS concepts and one or two topics I will complete. Required basics of advanced Java will be completed core Java within 1 month of time. On the basis of that, I will start advanced Java parallelly. In Java, every two courses we have to take parallelly. Then only we will complete within the time. Otherwise, you will not complete within the time. Maybe it may take years and years of time to complete Java syllabus there. Why? Because Java is vast. At the same time, more number of opportunities are available for Java. So because of that reason, two courses we have to do parallelly with respect to Java. That's why 8:30 to 10 core Java. After 1 month or maybe 1 month, 1 week of time, I'll start advanced Java. Parallelly core Java is going on. Now their advanced Java will start parallelly, which are going on there. Between these two, core Java and advanced Java, if any one is completed a bit of earlier, there I will start frameworks. Hibernate I will start. In another time, Spring I will start. In another time, when I complete Hibernate here, I will start microservices. And here web services like this, 7 to 8:30 and 8:30 to 10. These two slots for totally for Java stream. Up to the complete Java. Java in the sense, core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring, Spring Boot, microservices, web services. These 7 courses are what there? Java stream. Remaining Oracle, UI technologies and DevOps and testing tools, all these things are non-Java but required for the Java developers. In full stack Java development, we need to think. So this is my plan of action. Then after that, after completion of this advanced Java, at 8:30 to 10, after a few days of time, at 8:30 to 10, I will start like what there, Hibernate. After a few days of time, I may complete advanced Java at 7 to 8:30. There I will start Spring, then a Spring Boot and microservices here. Right, sir. After a few days of time, at 8:30 to 10 o'clock, I may start like what they know, web services. Right, sir. After a few days of time, at 8:30 to 10 o'clock, I will start what, web services. So I think you understood my schedule for Java. Only 2 slots I am trying to provide for the Java. One is 7 to 8:30 and 8:30 to 10. Now I started with what there, 8:30 to 10. In the future, I will start 7 to 8:30 sessions also. But these classes are introduction classes at 10 to 11:30 up to few days only. After that, I will take sessions at what time there? No, 8:30 to 10 only. Please recognize this schedule. Then next one, Oracle classes and remaining Oracle and UI, DevOps and testing tools. These classes you can attend at any time, at any possible time. See, morning 7 to night 9 o'clock, classes are going on. In your comfortable time, remaining classes you can attend. I will give schedules to you clearly. When the batch is going to be start for Oracle, then we will give an intimation to you. Try to attend for Oracle in this class if it is possible. If it is not possible on this particular time, no. Next within 15 days of time, one more batch will start there. There again we can check if it is possible to attend for that class or not. There we can attend for it. At any comfortable time we can attend for, like which classes there? Oracle, UI technologies, Angular or React. Next one is DevOps and testing tools. These 5 courses in your comfortable time we can attend at any time. But maximum my planning is what? At morning time only I'm planning to conduct the remaining courses also. 10 to 11:30 you are going to be free. In this time I may conduct like what there, maybe some UI technologies I will conduct 10 to 11:30. 11:30 to 1 you may be free. Then in this time I will conduct maybe Oracle. When I complete this UI technologies and Oracle, the next courses will come there. In a 10 o'clock, 10 to 11:30 and 11:30 to 1. Other courses will be completed there. But 8:30 to 10, 7 to 8:30, these 2 slots are my slots. I will take the total Java part, right from core Java to up to web services. Guys, all of you are getting clarity. What about the schedule here? What I'm telling to you? Don't have any confusion. In the very first day itself, I'm giving the total schedule clearly to you. Again and again, I'm telling there, 10 to 11:30 classes are going on next to 10 to 15 days of time. After that, you have to attend for our sessions at what time they know? At 8:30 to 10. Please remember this particular change. Apart from that, I'm not having any other options here now. Right, sir. Next one is after that, after completion of this. Anyway, let me complete this total batch is what I'm starting there. Then after that, core Java, then we can attend maybe up to 3 months of time, it will be completed here. Then after this core Java, this part, this basic Java package, it may be completed within 4 to 5 months of time it will take there. Then definitely parallelly we have to attend almost 2 to 3 batches we are going to attend there. 4 to 5 months of time here we are going to take for this complete Java package here. What we are going to be taking now, nearly then 6 months of time here we have to put to complete this total Java package, complete Java. But a full stack Java on around it will take 7 months of time, maybe 10 to 15 days before or later. Around 7 months of time it will take. Why? Because nearly 3 to 4 courses parallelly which are going on there. Definitely we are going to be completed within 7 months of time, maybe 1 month before or later. Apart from that, maybe maximum 1 month before or later, around 7 months of time it will be completed. They are the durations for it. And the fee structure, fee related information, we can reach out to our office. Our office people will give clarity. Then I don't like to talk about money related things inside the classes now. Only technology and benefits of you. Up to that one I will talk now. Fee related things and everything we can talk at our office. not related to me. Okay, fine. Now let's come for this one. Next one is after that. Uh, if we join for my courses, if we join for these courses, care what advantages care we are able to get? No, observe carefully. First one, number one, every class recordings will be provided. Recordings in the sense like what? No, every class videos. Every class is being recorded. Now, parallel along with this offline class, I am taking online class. So that online class purpose, that class are recording. So every class recordings will be provided for you. Understand my point clearly? Maybe you may join with the core Java, or maybe a basic package or complete Java package or full stack Java, whatever it may be. Right, recordings will be provided. Every class recordings will be provided. Up to my classes. Up to my classes in the sense how many classes I am going to take. Up to that I will provide. For example, Aragil faculty is available. He's taking Aragil. Whether he's going to provide or not, that is not related to me. Why? Because but maximum I'll request that faculty. Aragils are also will request there. Previous batch might be accepted that he will provide that. Maybe Aragil faculty will provide that recordings also. Other courses maybe I'm not sure, but up to my classes I will sure about these recordings, video recordings. Observe carefully. Maybe for UI technologies and Aragil, I will give assurance to you. I will request that faculty, they will provide recorded videos to you along with course. Along with course, these classes are going on regularly. But for our backup purpose, some video recordings will be provided. I will request the respective faculty members, they will provide that videos recordings. That is one thing there. Observe carefully. Next one, apart from that, let me complete this advantage. No? Then I will talk about our career. What course we have to select, then what we have to do. I'll give that information to you. Don't worry for it. Now, observe carefully. Next one, after that, materials will be provided. Up to my classes, for offline student, hard copy material. For online students, soft copy material will be provided. Of course, for the hard copy material is chargeable. Maybe Xerox costs our people will collect there with a clear cut documentation will be provided. For core Java only, you will get nearly 850 plus pages of document is available. 850 plus pages of document is available. Up to Java 14 version I included there. 15, 16, 17, 18. Again, I will prepare one more book and I have to provide that book to you. Don't worry for it. When times comes, definitely I will distribute that material also. So where it is a chargeable, little bit charge. Like what I'm telling there, Xerox cost only our people are going to take, then we can collect that materials also. Maybe in the next, once you are registered for these courses there, everybody has to collect that material. Material is required. Why? Because I'll put more focus on explanation part inside the class. The notes dictation, important points I can dictate now, but everything I provide inside the material, if you open that material at your home, everything will be available there. It's a Bible, almost a Bible for Java. With my own hands, I prepared that notes. So you can we can get more clarity on this particular one. That is one thing, guys. Next one is in my classes, all interview questions will be covered. All interview questions along with the course, along with the course, all interview questions, and mini projects, small projects depending on the subject, depending on the topic. I'm going to prepare small mini projects and all interview questions. That means I'm telling to you, your interview purpose is also be completed if you take the courses care. Your interview thing is also be completed. Not only interview, you will get more confidence on programming part. Here my courses are mainly for what? Mainly for interviews. After that interview, after joining with the company, how to do projects. In this particular view, my courses are going to be provided. One more thing I'm telling to you, total I'm going to put more concentration on subject, internals of the subject, internals of the concepts. JVM is executing Java program. How JVM is executing Java program? What is there inside the JVM? Which components are running parallelly? What is the job of each and every component? In this way, we are going to understand the concepts, totally internal concepts. You are going to understand it. With my internal topics, you will complete all of your interviews and you can prepare projects in our companies, and you can go for certification exams also. If you go for OCJP examination, 85 to 90% of the score I'm giving guarantee. Understand my point? With my subject, you can clear OCJP certifications also. So up to that year, we are going to be covered inside this one. That is one thing, guys. Then after that, what I'm telling to you, next one, the fourth one will be, we are going to work with multiple databases. For example, if you go for JDBC, Java Database Connectivity, there we are going to work with Oracle as well as like what there, MySQL. When we go for Spring Framework, where in-memory database are available, H2 database, H2 database, in-memory database. Maybe if we go for Spring or maybe some other no, MongoDB also I'm going to use. So if we take that full stack Java, there we are going to see all these many databases. I'm going to use these many databases. So definitely you will get advantage by working with multiple databases. Right, sir. Next one is after that. But mainly Java in the sense Oracle. Java developer point of view, Oracle is the best database. If you know one database, remaining databases are very simple. But as part of my programming, I'm going to use all these databases. Before using these databases in my applications, I'll use some small demo of each and every database also. But Oracle class are going on separately, then we have to attend for it. Next one is, after that, working with multiple servers. Working with multiple servers. What are the servers here? We are going to be covered there. For example, if I go for servlets programming, advanced Java, servlets programming, where I need to take one server to run our server-side program. We need to have some servers there. Which servers here we are going to use there? Tomcat. Next one is like what their WebLogic server. Next one is a JBoss or Wildfly. And then after that, Glassfish. These many servers I'm going to use. So working with multiple servers is also be advantage for your classes, for your career. Definitely, one server if you see, it's okay. But 3 to 4 servers, if I show no, it will be advantage to you. Easily we can work with any of the servers in our companies there. This is one point. Next one is, apart from that, working with multiple IDEs. Multiple IDEs like what there? For fast application development, for rapid application development, we need IDEs. Eclipse IDE. Next one is IntelliJ IDEA. IntelliJ IDEA. This one also be here we are going to use in our classes. IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse and IntelliJ IDEA. Both the IDs are going on effectively in outside companies. So one IDE awareness is required, but here I'm going to be covered 2 IDs working experience. How to prepare applications with IDs, how to debug the applications inside the IDs. That every scenario we are going to understand in our classes. This is another point here. Next one is after completion of this, the seventh one. Seventh one here, what I'm telling to you. Now, course completion certificate we are able to get. Course completion certificate. If you complete Java classes or if you complete any course at Durgasoft there, we are going to provide a course completion certificate for you. That will be useful for you. We can show that certificate even to the interviewers. That will be the authentication for you. Interviewers can have trust on Durgasoft. So we can utilize the Durgasoft brand value even in outside also. We will give course completion certificate. It may be useful for the academic students. Maybe for the academic students, your college management may ask to you during these all days now, during this project time, what you have done, where you have done. Then they are expecting some certificates from the respective institutions. So definitely if we do some projects or maybe some courses at Durgasoft, it will be added an advantage for you. So it will be useful. Then we are going to provide course completion certificate for all of you guys in a standard pattern. Definitely it will be useful for you. Then apart from this, next one is what there? We are going to conduct some placements, drives. We have a number of companies with us. We are going to call that all the companies. When we are coming to the end of the courses, number of companies will come here and we are going to provide that companies drives at our Durgasoft. They will come here. But I'm telling you clearly, at Durgasoft, only freshers recruitment is going on, not for experienced people. In Amirpet, experience in the sense is an open secret, fake experience only. No company will trust on experienced people from Amirpet. From Amirpet, every company is thinking more about what their freshers only. Freshers recruitment drives we are going to be conducted, but that not be at the starting point of the course. That will be at the end of the course. Why? Because at starting point of the course, if I call any company to come here to conduct the interview, what we are going to be answered there? Definitely at the end of the course, you will have some knowledge there. At the end of the course, you can understand this clearly. So for the freshers, placements drives are going on here. Definitely. So these are the various advantages we are able to get if you attend my classes. Guys, only one time I'm going to talk about all these things. Tomorrow onwards or maybe today after this, I will not talk every time about this one. One time I'm giving commitment. Whatever the words I'm telling to you, these are the various words here I'm telling to you clearly. Right, sir? Now this is one thing. Next one is for experienced people. And one more thing I'm telling to you guys. Here, how much knowledge here we are going to be provided here. we are providing information to the freshers, not only for freshers, not only for freshers, for experienced people also we are giving the same training. How much knowledge we are trying to inject there, how much knowledge is required, 4 to 5 years of experience, how much experience we are going to keep in our resume with my content there, how much knowledge is required to keep 4 to 5 years of experience in our resume. Up to that we are giving the information to you in our classes. These classes are not only for freshers, along with the freshers, then how much knowledge is required to keep 4 to 5 years of experience in our resume. Up to that we are going to be covered. Everybody understand my point here? And moreover, these video classes recordings will be provided within 1 hour. Within 1 hour of time, automatically the recordings will be uploaded. You can see that recording videos within 1 hour, 24/7. We can see that boundary up to 1 year is a boundary for all the recorded videos, no? But even that is not mandatory. After 1 year also, we are going to provide. Understand my point here? But I'm not saying it is a lifetime access, no? But up to 1 year officially we are giving the boundaries. But even after 1 year also, if you are exploiting that videos there, we don't have any problem. We can share that videos even after 1 year also. Maybe 1 year to 2 years of time we can watch that videos. That means this is a permanent solution, not temporary solution. If I think in the form of temporary solution, I may not provide videos. I may not provide videos to you. I can say to you, you have to attend for only classes. After completion of the class, if you want to recollect that content there, if videos are not available, again you have to pay the payment and you have to come for the next class. But what I am telling there, part of this course, we are going to provide the videos. If you have any doubt on these classes there, watch that video one more time, where everything will be cleared. There we can practice yourself by watching that video. But anyway, we are providing live classes also. Attend the live classes within 1 hour of completing your live class there. Every day you will get video within 1 hour. At your home, open that video, watch that video once again, try to practice, try to start your practice. So this support we are providing there. Multiple advantages are available. Guys, one more thing I'm telling to you, even in outside also, for every course, video support, they are collecting nearly 4,000 to 5,000 rupees. Only for videos. Outside might be some third party platforms are selling videos. They are giving that course videos nearly 4,000 to 5,000 rupees they are collecting there. But here, part of your course, I'm providing these videos now. Part of your course, I'm providing these videos. So multiple advantages are available. So it will be very good benefit to you, all of you, by providing these videos, Then try to utilize that video support. And moreover, unfortunately, if you are missing any one class, 1 or 2 classes you are missing. For example, you want to go for your hometown, 2 to 3 days after you have to struck there. You are not possible to attend for these classes now. And then what we have to do there? If I give videos now, at least after 1 hour of the class now, then after completion of this class within 1 hour, if I provide video, you can watch that video at your home. We can watch that video clearly. That means your continuity will be available. You may not miss out any topic there. So this is another advantage of these videos. Now that's why as official I'm announcing that I'm going to provide video support to you. It will give more benefit to multiple advantages are available with these videos clearly. Right, sir. One more thing I'm telling to all of you guys, learning courses at Durgasoft is not only for getting selected in the companies. If you take the courses care, your winning percentage will be 80%. For every 100 members, 80 members will get job. Remaining 20% of members are time pass students only. For them, I'm unable to do anything. But I'm giving support continuously. Understand my point here? For every 100 members, 80 members will get job. 80% is a success rate. Understand it? What I'm telling there? Okay. Apart from that, what I'm telling now, my sincere efforts for these classes is what? Not only for getting job in outside for you. At the end of the course, I want to see all of you. You should be in a position to teach Java to somebody else. Not only for getting knowledge on Java, not only for getting job in outside. At the end of the courses, you will be in a position to teach Java to somebody else. If you are in a position to teach Java to somebody else in outside now, getting selected in the companies, working with the projects is nothing. If you are in a position to teach Java to some other persons there, then completing your interview and selected in a particular company and doing projects is nothing. On hands out, we can do that particular work. So such kind of confidence I can provide. I'll give such type of confidence as part of my classes there. Whatever the work I am doing, I'll try to repeat the same work. You are going to repeat the same work. So completely at the end of the course, my knowledge and your knowledge will be same. Whatever the knowledge I'm having, I'm going to transfer that everything about my Java to you. At the end of the course, both you and me, in the point of Java, both are equal. That's it. No other variations about this. Right, sir. What I know that I'm teaching to you. At the end of the course, you'll understand what I know. Everything is available with you. Then you can teach Java also with that subject. Right, sir. This is the confidence here, what I'm telling to you clearly. Next one is after that, after completion of this, let's understand this clearly. There may be a question to all of you guys. Sir, nearly you are saying that the 4 batches here we are saying there. What are the 4 batches here? No, already we are aware about this. First one is like what the individual core Java. Next one is like what they know basic Java. Next one is like what they know complete Java. Next one is like what they know full stack Java. Right, sir. Out of these courses, what I have to select? What I have to select might be this type of thinking might be available. Uh, I'll give some points to you clearly understand this one. All of you observe carefully. If any of you are coming here for the sake of the testing tools, yesterday I given some relation. If you want to learn the testing tools, definitely what we require there, core Java is required. Yesterday I given that information clearly for you. Same situation if you are having, already you are working with the testing tools in the company, or you want to learn the testing tools, where internally we require Java. So your main course is testing tools, but dependent course is what Java. For the sake of that, I want to learn Java, sir. If it is a case, just go for like what no core Java only. Don't take any other classes. All of you get my point here. If you have knowledge, if you want to go for testing tools, that is your main priority. For that, core Java is required. So if it is a situation, only select core Java. Don't take advanced Java, don't take basic package, don't take any other one. Only core Java is sufficient. Leave it. No, sir, my requirement is different. Uh, Next month, I have to complete my academic project in college. No, I'm the student of a particular BTech. No, they are given some project. I have to explain something about the project, not for the sake of my interviews, not for the sake of jobs in the companies there. In the next 1 or 2 months of time, I have to submit one project at our college there. Already project is available with me, but I don't know how to explain that concepts. Internally, some web technology, some things are utilized there. I don't know what is them. Then I want to know them. I want to give some seminar on this particular topics to my HOD. If it is a case, then better to go for basic Java package. Academic projects, academic projects. This is one thing here. Java related projects, if you want, right, then better go for Java package. Okay, not only that, sir, in my company, I have worked on only servlets and JSP, sir. No other concepts now. Actually, some SAP related tools are going on there. For the sake of them, some support technologies are required, like what their servlets and JSPs are required. Oracle basics of Oracle are required. Your technologies are required. So web environment are required, but Java is not my mainstream. Some other tool is my mainstream. For the sake of that, support is required. So they're better to go for like what they know, basic package, no, basic Java package. No, sir. In my company, I am working with the Spring Boot microservices. I have a project on Spring Boot microservices. It's fixed that. Why? Because nowadays every project is going on with the Spring Boot microservices now. So I need good knowledge on these concepts here. So then better to go for like what there? Complete Java package. Understand my point here? Already if you are working in our company, you had that requirement there, then better to go for complete Java package. This is a situation. But nowadays I'm recommended to all of you, all freshers, all experienced people, nowadays 90% of the companies are asking full stack Java developers. 90% of the companies are asking about what their full stack Java developers nowadays. There's a trending, more trending in outside. Even my words are not fake. If you have any doubt on it, at your home, open the job portals in outside. Number of job portals are available. Search for full stack Java developer. How many companies are asking about full stack Java developers? There we can understand. So nowadays, 90% of the companies are expecting full stack Java developers only. Now, full stack Java developer course is trending nowadays in outside. And one more thing I'm telling there, Full stack Java developers course. Full stack Java developers course is conducted in outside also. Full stack Java developers course is going on in outside also. But that information is not proper in outside. Be aware about it. I'm telling to you. Right, sir. In outside, some people are giving the information like what there. Whatever the basic package we prepare now, basic package, basic Java package, core Java, advanced Java, Oracle and UI, they are saying that is full stack Java, but it's the wrong information. Some other people are saying core Java to up to web services. This is full stack Java. Again, this is wrong information. As per the companies, full stack Java developer course in a sense, these 13 courses, these 12 to 13 courses is the meaning of full stack Java. Don't go to that fake information in outside. Some rumors are going on. Core Java, advanced Java, Oracle, they are saying full stack Java. This is totally wrong. Blunder. As per the company's information, full stack Java in the sense, these many courses. Why I'm telling, why companies are expecting this full stack Java developers? I will give one example. Through that you can understand clearly. All right, sir. Now let me give some information to you. Observe carefully. For example, if you want to start any project or if you want to do any project in any company, what are the various project life cycle states now? Basic information I'm asking there. What are the various project life cycle information there? Life cycle states now. First one is analysis or not. The next one is what there. After that, development or not. Coding part or development. Then after that, what next one can know? Testing phase or not. Then after this testing, then what next one can production or not. After testing, we have to submit that entire project to the client or not, where we have to give some support or not to the client now. So majorly at the top end, these 4 phases are available for every project life cycle. Okay, now observe carefully. Now this would be done by high-end people, top-end people, where basic developer is not going to involve inside this analysis phase. Of course, that depends on companies also, how they are having structure, employee structure. On the basis of that, it is going on. Analysis people in general, those are having 10 to 15 years of experience minimum, 15 years of experience in real time, then they can involve in that analysis part. Maybe managers or maybe architects or maybe some analyzers are available in the company. They will take care about what there, that analysis phase. Forget about it, not required. Now, when we come for this development part, three types of developments are available. In the development phase, 3 types of developments are available. What are the 3 types of developments? No, just observe carefully. Front-end development. Every application front-end is required, like registration pages or login pages or maybe some websites of front of you. Then everything is like what their front-end development. After this front-end development, middleware application development, not only front-end development, logics implementations. Next one is what there, back-end development. These many developments are available under this development phase. Guys, all of you observe carefully. So front-end development in the sense what we are going to understand, HTML, then what next one here, CSS, and so on and so on and so on. Whatever the courses I said to you, next one is like what there, Angular or what next one can, or React, Angular or React, React.js. These many things here we are going to use for front-end development. And for this middleware development, middleware application development, what we are going to use there, Java, core Java. Okay, then what next one here, advanced Java. Next one is what there, Hibernate. Next one is what there, Spring. Next one is what there, Spring Boot. Next one is what there, microservices. Then after that, web services. These many things are existed here. All Java stream is available in the middleware application development. Core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices and web services. All Java related things are going to be happen inside this middleware application development. And backend development in the sense like what they know, backend databases now. Oracle, or we can go for like what there, MySQL. Either of the things here we are going to use, or best we will go for like what now, like Oracle, guys. Observe carefully. Next one is after this development phase, these many things here we have to understand in the development phase. Observe carefully. Then after that, testing point of view, only how many things are available here? 2 things are existed here. What are the 2 things here? No, first one is manual. Next one is like what? No, Selenium. Selenium. Understand my point here? Selenium. Okay. Now next one is like what the Selenium. Okay. There's some spelling mistake, no issues. No. Manual plus Selenium. Those are going to be happened here inside this testing now. Next one. All of you observe carefully. Right, sir. Production mode. Okay. Production mode and all these things I'll explain to you. Now try to understand this. Later I will come for these points here. Whenever we are developing a project, we need to maintain some servers or not. We have to maintain some server. Dev servers required or not. There only we are going to do some operations. There we are going to deploy the applications now. Servers we required. Databases are required or not in development mode. Databases are required. Database is required in the sense companies are not going to use any pirated softwares. Companies are going to use licensed softwares only. Am I right or not? So for Oracle license is required. For servers like WebLogic or maybe Wildfire, some other servers, again required what there no licenses we required. Am I right or not? Okay. Then servers and databases and some other, all these things are infrastructure for the application development. All these are like what no? Infrastructure. If we are trying to provide that infrastructure in our companies there, it's more costful. More costful, at the same time maintenance issues will come. Maybe we are unable to maintain properly the servers and all. Continuously maintenance issues will come there. One problem we can identify. At a development mode, these many things are required. At a testing also, some other configurations are required. Some other tools are required. In the production mode also, some other tools are required there. Some other tools are also be required now. So if you are maintaining all these tools manually, Harsha, 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 if you are maintaining all the tools manually, then cost of the development, cost of the infrastructure will be increased. To reduce this cost of the infrastructure, nowadays all companies what are doing there, they are trying to get these servers and their maintenance, database servers and their maintenance, and all the network and their maintenance, and everything they are trying to get from third party products by paying some rentals. Understand my point here? By paying monthly wise rentals, no, they're trying to get all this support, proper support from the third parties here. That third party is nothing but what? The third party is nothing but what? Cloud. The third party is nothing but what? Cloud. Understand my point here? Cloud. We have to get some support from cloud also. Nowadays, every deployment is going on with the cloud only. Nowadays, everything is going on with the cloud only. Who are the various cloud providers in outside there? Number of cloud providers are available, but the best cloud provider is what there? AWS, Amazon Web Services. Next one is what there? Azure. Then after that, what next one? GCP, Google Cloud Platform. Google Cloud Platform. They are the three best cloud providers in outside. Sir, all of you get my point or not? So out of this, AWS is getting very good demand there in outside. So cloud is also be required. Right? If you want to work with the cloud, where Linux operating system is going to be utilized, all the server side environment is a Linux operating system only, not Windows operating system. Definitely we have to use Linux operating system for cloud. For the sake of deployments, for the sake of some operations there, definitely we have to use some Linux commands only. So we need to go for Linux, we have to go there. Next one is after that, right from development mode to testing mode, right from testing mode to production mode, all the activities we have to automate. Previously, we are able to do all the activities individually. Manually, we are doing all these activities. Development mode activities, testing mode activities, production mode activities, deployments, monitoring, and everything we are doing manually. There some number of issues will come there. To overcome all these problems, some automatic process is available nowadays. Some number of tools are available to automate that development activities, testing activities, and production activities. All these activities will be done automatically by using some n number of tools there. That all the n number of tools are nothing but like what there? DevOps tools. Like where Jenkins, Kubernetes, CI/CD pipelines. Understand my point here? All these things will come under like what now? DevOps tools. DevOps tools. Now these DevOps tools are getting very good demand in outside. Now altogether is Linux, cloud, and DevOps altogether is a DevOps course. Actually, is one course that is nothing but what now? DevOps course. Now tell me, all of you guys, now understand this clearly. 10 years back, if you observe in the companies there is a separate team from front-end development. There is a separate team for Java development. There is a separate team for back-end development. There is a separate team for the testing tools. There is a separate team for operations, deployment operations. There is a separate team for server administration. Now, altogether, how many teams are running for a single project now? Nearly 6 or 7 teams are running for a single project. 6 or 7 teams parallelly they are running for a single project. Got my point or not? But nowadays, what companies are trying to do, no? 6 or 7 teams are running for a single project, in the sense each team on an average minimum 6 or 7 members are not. 6 members, for example, 6 into 6 is 36 employees must work on a particular project or not. And an average minimal information I'm telling to you. So now companies are thinking this is waste of time, this is waste of manpower, waste of money. So we have to reduce this manpower, and we have to reduce like this cost of this development, and that companies are thinking about it. Finally, what companies are decided, if any person, and moreover here one more drawback is what now, when the project is in development mode, testing team is vacant, they are not doing any work. When the project is in a production mode, testing team and development are not doing anything, they are not doing anything, they are vacant. Understand my point, Keno? So to overcome all these problems, then what companies are thinking, no, if any person, if any developer is having idea on the total development, what front-end development, middleware application development, and middleware application back-end development, and the same person is having awareness on testing tools, Manual and Selenium, and the same person is having awareness on DevOps tools and Linux and cloud and all. If any single developer is having all this knowledge, then companies wants to take that developer. Companies are saying that developer is what there. The developer is nothing but full stack Java developer. When the project is in development mode, companies wants to use that employee for development. When the project is in testing mode, the same developer has to as acting as like tester must involve in the testing tools. The same person must involve in the production operations part also whenever the project is in a production mode. Now tell me, single developer is having these many capabilities, no? Automatically companies are going to reuse the single person for multiple domains or not, multiple activities or not. Then when a single developer is able to do all these activities, no, automatically cost cutting is going to be improved or not? Cost of the development will be reduced or not? Cost of the employees will be reduced or not? By having all this analysis, companies are nowadays recruiting full stack Java developers. Full stack Java developers are having very good demand in outside. This is one reason only I'm telling there. Like this, so many reasons are available. Nowadays might be full stack Java developers are having very good demand in outside. Every company is looking for full stack Java developer only. Maybe today you may join with the core Java here, but by seeing the advantages of this full stack, no, and by seeing the requirements of the full stack Java developers in outside, definitely you are going to come here for the full stack Java developer. Maybe today or tomorrow or day after tomorrow, whatever the things we are going to be decided there, at the end of the story, you should be act as like what their full stack Java developer only. So for freshers, for experienced people, whoever it may be, then better to go for the option like what now, full stack Java developer. Right, sir. This is the guidelines here, what I'm telling to you clearly. Right, sir. And guys, and one more thing I'm telling there, and Kasturi Bharani, then what I'm telling to you, my way of classes are like what there. I will start my concepts with core Java. Core Java in the sense fundamentals. Fundamentals in the sense first I will start everything with the theoretical concepts. I will start initially. Understand my point here? When theoretically you are strong, then after that I will start programming part. Then don't expect it directly coming into the programming part, directly coming to the practicals. Without having knowledge and theory, you will not understand anything practical. First you should be strong in theory. After that I will make you to strong in practicals. In my classes, both theory and practical both are going on. When I go for advanced Java, where I'm going to prepare small mini projects, on each and every topic, that each and every mini project may contain nearly 1500 lines of code, 2000 lines of code. By the time we are going to understand it, we are going to prepare that applications like this. When you are moving to the advanced Java classes there, in core Java, especially core Java is a fundamental course. The nature of the fundamental course is definitions, syntax, and program for that syntax, surrounding information about that syntax, experiments of that particular program, everything, every analysis we have to discuss. So both theoretically and practically, I'm going to inject the content. Don't expect only theory or don't expect only practical. Both are going on effectively in our classes. Basically, we are learning programming language. Without practicals, we are unable to complete these classes. But if you want to do practicals, then we must go for like what the theoretical information. That's the point here. I'm telling you clearly. All right, sir. Then, and some people are asking question to me, uh, sir, what is the difference between your this online course and Durga sir YouTube videos on Java? Is there any meaning for this question? Huh? That how can I ask that question to me, yaar? You can identify the difference, no? Then if you ask to me, then what answer you are expecting there? Two answers you might be expected. One straight answer is what there? My classes are good when compared with Durga sir. Maybe the second answer is what? No, Durga sir classes are good when compared with my classes. What you are expecting? First of all, tell me. Huh? Not like that. Durga sir videos are available. You can check that what he has given the information. But my class are available. If you're interested, still if you are thinking somewhat you are going to get in my classes there, then again you can come and join with me. That's it. Apart from that, I can't say anything for this one. Before that, Durga sir and myself, we are both are brothers. Don't give unnecessary issues between the brothers, no, by asking this type of questions. Understand it? What I'm telling there, right? Just I'm kidding there. Durga sir style is different. My style is different, but don't compare both of them. In his own style, he has given some technology. In my own style, I am teaching this technology. Then try to analyze it. And one thing I'm telling to you guys, one thing I'm telling to you, only one simple point. I'm not comparing. See, don't compare one lecture with another lecturer, one trainer with another. They're having their own styles. This is one thing. And apart from that, what I'm telling there, my strength I'm telling to you, I can teach Java up to Java 18 version. That is the latest version of the Java. Not only this is a live class now. Even my videos, if you observe there, 1 hour back, 1 year back videos, if you observe there, where might be Java 10 version might be existed. But at present, what I'm teaching there, Java 18 version, up to Java 18 version, I'm teaching. There itself, we can understand. YouTube videos in the sense, maybe on that moment, that at the time of making that videos, what technology is available, that might be we discussed there. But now I'm taking this class in the sense, at present, which technology is available, that I'm teaching now. That might be the difference. Apart from that, I'm not saying anything about it, but don't compare one trainer with another trainer. They're having their own styles. Okay, leave this one. There's an invalid question in my point of view now. How many hours to prepare for strong Java developer? Right question, guys. So I'm telling you, if you understand my classes clearly, if you're attending these classes clearly, after completion of these classes for each and every course, for core Java, every day, just if you put half an hour of time on that particular day class, what I completed, if we repeat the same practice in our home there, at our home there, you will understand clearly about everything. So for every course, half an hour to 1 hour practice is sufficient, not more than that. But regularly we have to practice. Today I completed this session. By today evening, you have to complete the exercises and whatever the things I discussed inside the classes now. But if you are making it pending now, that pending is going on pending only. It may not be completed. But everyday work we have to complete on that particular day. For example, in today's session, if I give one assignment, 5 examples assignments I have given to you. By the end of the day, you have to complete it. Otherwise, don't sleep and don't take food. That type of temptation is required. Then only you can complete it. Don't make it spending on tomorrow. If you make it spending on tomorrow, tomorrow new work will come. When you are going to complete it. So regular practice is required. Then this is one thing I'm telling you guys. And next one is what? Sundays classes, guys. Observe carefully. Here's nice question. Initially, Monday to Saturday classes. Monday to Saturday classes initially. Maybe when my course is in lagging mode, when the content is not going on as per the schedule, then I will take classes on Sundays also. If possible, on Sundays, I will take 2 to 3 hours extra, depending on our syllabus coverage, depending on your activeness. If you're not understanding, I need to repeat the same topic again and again. If I repeated same topic again and again, automatically course duration will be increased. If it is a case, by the time I need to conduct some class on Mondays, Sundays also. But initially, don't expect class on Sundays. But once, if I start Whoops concepts in core Java, definitely we will plan for the classes, extra class on Sundays also. That is part of your speed up the concepts only. That is a part of your completing the course only. Alright, that is for the sake of you only. But I will give that schedule to you. 3 to 4 days before that, I will give some schedules to you. How I'm going to take the classes on Sundays now. Definitely classes are going to be available. Alright, sir. So I'm in MCA. Which one is good for me? Basic Java or complete Java? Guys, I'm telling you one thing to you. Maybe we are in academics or not, today or tomorrow, every company is expecting full stack Java developer. Better to go for full stack Java developer. That course is ultimate. Nowadays it's trending in outside. Even if we take basic Java, the next when we go for companies, you have to complete the remaining course also. But learning is only one time. One time only we are going to learn. That time we have to learn completely. Don't learn half of the information. Don't go for the interviews with half of the information. You never complete your interviews there with half of the knowledge. If you have full knowledge, if you have very good idea on this Java, then you will complete that interviews in 1 or 2 companies there. So then today or tomorrow, whatever it may be, better to go for full stack Java development. That's a good idea for this content now. Right, sir. Right, sir. Then this is the information here, what I'm telling to you. All right. Apart from this, everything I'm going to discuss with you, then content point of view, leave that content to me. I will discuss max information on Java. Max, how much they are providing about Java, everything I'll provide you. No to worry for it. In Durgasoft, every trainer is a very good trainer, qualified trainers. Each and every trainer is having nearly 15 to 20 years of experience. Guys, observe carefully. I started teaching Java right from 2004 onwards. At the time, Java 3 version is available. Java 4 or Java 3 version is available. You are not aware about it. When I'm doing MTech parallel, I'm taking Java classes. Even without completing my BTech, I started Java classes. In the final year of my BTech, I started Java classes teaching now. From that point onwards, I'm teaching Java. That is my experience. My Araikil, Sharifs are experienced nearly 12 to 13 years of experience. Testing tools, Mahesh are experienced nearly 13 to 14 years of experience. DevOps are nearly 8 to 9 years of experience. In every trainer, if we touch at Durgasoft there, minimum 10 years of experience. Minimum 8 to 9, 10 years of experience people are going to teach Java. Java and all other courses there, so that you will get more knowledge you will get and more content you are able to get. The main strength of Durgasoft is what? Depth knowledge. Every topic in depth we are going to be covered. That's the main strength of Durgasoft. Moreover, I'm giving assurance to you, 80% of the people are going to get job, no doubt for that. But at the same time, I'm telling to you guys, understand clearly, this is for what there, for our career purpose only, we are providing that videos and all, not for the sake of any other purpose. No, don't misuse that videos there. We are going to provide videos about everything because of your benefit only. Don't think in wrong way about this. At the same time, we are giving videos, sir. Only first 5 classes only I will attend. Next classes I don't want to attend, in the sense I will not accept it. I'm giving video support for you. First, you have to come to the institute. You have to listen the concepts. You have to attend this session. Within this session, if you have any doubt, then open that video and check that video. But you want to watch that video without attending this class, in the sense there is no use. I will not allow that. First priority for live classes. Next priority is for videos. Don't give first priority for videos. Don't give second priority for classes. No. See, if I give videos, if you are thinking like that, it's okay. But if I think the same way, okay, I've given videos not to take class, in a sense, is there any meaning for it? No. My response is what? I need to take the classes. You have to come for the classes. Inside the class, if you have any doubt, open that video and watch that video 2 to 3 times, listen that video until we are getting clarity on this particular subject. Because of that reason, I'm providing this video support to you. This is very good opportunity. Again and again, I'm telling to you, video support. Only Durgasoft is giving such type of opportunity for the students. No other institutes are giving such type of opportunity. If you want to take video classes in other institute, you have to pay nearly 4,000 to 5,000 extra. But we are not charging that. We are part of the course. We are providing this type of facility. Try to utilize this opportunity clearly, right? That's okay, guys. This is what I'm trying to say to you. Then, and on a small request, maybe on first Saturday and Sunday, we are not going to take any sessions. Next class will be on Monday. Today is a Friday, right? 2 class, second class I have taken there. The Monday onwards, core Java syllabus I will give. then core Java directly I will start there. Actually today onwards I have to start now. Within 5 minutes I'm unable to start anything. But I thought I may not take this much of time for this introduction content there. At least half an hour of time I want to talk Java. But anyway, time is already completed there. And Monday onwards, I'm going to take sessions. Monday onwards, every class is going on time perfectly. 1 hour 20 minutes class is mandatory. 10 minutes of class is a grace time. Why? Because I need to complete previous class and I have to come into this class there. 10 minutes of time may be grace time. 1 hour 20 minutes or 1 hour 25 minutes of time is mandatory. And one more point I forgot to specify now. Guys, observe carefully. On every topic, we will conduct written tests. We will conduct written tests on every topic. When I complete one topic there, on that particular topic, 40 to 50 number of questions I will prepare there, multiple options questions. No, I'll conduct one written test. By that, you can check your knowledge also, where you are, what you completed up to that. So we are conducting this one. This one we are effectively implementing that. Already my previous batches also I am implementing. Almost all they are written the exams there. Then for you also I am going to conduct this test. Then everybody has to attend for it, and we will finalize that marks, and we will display that ranks wise. We will display that in the notice board. Who are getting highest marks and we are getting lowest marks, that everything will display on the notice board. We can check the status also there. Even I can share question paper and as well as the answer key also I will share with you. After the exam I will share that key. In that exam paper, if you have in it out there, just you can come to, I'll explain. Or maybe if it is a common problem for everybody in that question paper, I'll explain officially inside the classroom itself. So that environment also we are providing. So this is more advantage by joining these courses here, right? That's all guys, that's all for today. And next class will be on Monday. On Monday I'm planning for the next class. No, without failure try to attend for this Monday. On Monday I'm going to start core Java. Inside this core Java I'm going to start introduction part. Core Java introduction, not course introduction. Course introduction is completed. I'm not going to take every day the same thing. Core Java I need to start on Monday. Tomorrow, and actually tomorrow I need to take the class, but on first Saturday we are not planning the classes there. On Monday maybe some other people will come there. Monday is a final batch, final admission there. Monday onwards we are going to finalize it and we are going to start the content here. 1 or 2 demo classes we completed there. Monday onwards we are going to understand the content clearly, right sir? That's all. Then tomorrow or maybe on Monday we'll meet once again. Monday we are going to see the content. Thank you guys, thanks a lot. Yes, mock tests are also available guys. Vijay, mock tests are also be provided. Yeah, for online and offline, the test will be conducted. For everybody, test will be conducted, guys. Then try to utilize this opportunity. Full stack course, we guys. Then if you are thinking about that course fees and everything, you can reach to Durgasoft online training @gmail.com. Okay, Durgasoft online training @gmail.com. Just send mail to this one, then they will give information there. Otherwise, and 888-525-2627 number is available. Otherwise I'll give one more number. Yeah guys, one minute. Guys, and include use these numbers, no, these numbers, and where contact person is Bhavani, she will give more clarity on this. Maybe after today's session you will get that all the details you will send as a mail, guys. Already your mail IDs are available with us. We will send all the mails to you, then you can get all the details there. Don't worry for it. Tomorrow no class, on Monday. Yeah, directly on Monday at 10 o'clock. Yeah, here only. In this classroom only. No, you can come. And then whatever the packages you have taken, that depend on the basis of that you can take. If you want to take all courses individually, then it's okay. That depends. No, different. Different. Chala different. Related kaadu. If I do any project with Java, front-end development I have to do. Then in that front-end development, I have to use HTML, CSS and all. Yeah. If you want to go for only front-end development, the Java is not necessary. No. Front-end development in the sense purely HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Angular. That part is totally different. Not required. అంటే ఇప్పుడు మీకు చూడండి ఒకసారి. ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఏదైనా ప్రాజెక్ట్ తీసుకున్నారనుకోండి, ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్ ఉంటుంది, మిడిల్ వేర్ ఉంటుంది, బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ ఉంటుంది, 3 పార్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్ వచ్చేసరికి జావా నేర్చుకోవాల్సిన నెసెసిటీ ఏం లేదు. ఒకవేళ ఓన్లీ మీరు ఆ పర్టికులర్ ఏరియా మీద వెళ్దామంటే, కానీ ఆపర్చునిటీస్ అనేవి తక్కువ ఉంటాయి. జావా ఫుల్ స్టాక్ అనుకున్నారనుకోండి, మొత్తం ఉంటుంది, ఇదంతా కూడా ఆపర్చునిటీస్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి. ఇప్పుడు ఓన్లీ నేను ఫ్రంట్ అండ్ దానికి వెళ్ళాలి, ఏదైనా ఒక వెబ్సైట్ ప్రిపేర్ చేద్దాం అనుకున్నా, జావా రిలేటెడ్ స్టాటిక్ వెబ్సైట్ ప్రిపేర్ చేద్దాం అనుకున్నా, హెచ్టిఎంఎల్ సిఎస్ఎస్ జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ పిహెచ్డి జనరల్గా ఏముండదు అది, అంటే మేబీ ఉండొచ్చు ఉండకపోవచ్చు చెప్పలేం, కానీ వీటిలో కోర్సెస్లో పార్ట్ ఉంటాయి. ఇప్పుడు మీకు హెచ్టిఎంఎల్ కోర్సు మన దగ్గర సపరేట్ ఉంటుంది, లేదు ఫుల్ స్టాక్లో పాటు, బేసిక్ జావాలో పాటు, కంప్లీట్ జావాలో పాటు, కానీ సపరేట్ హెచ్టిఎంఎల్ సిఎస్ఎస్ అంటే బేసిక్ ఏదైతే యూఐ అంటున్నాం చూసారా, సపరేట్ కోర్స్ ఉంటుంది మన దగ్గర. ఇంట్రడక్షన్ క్లాస్ ఓన్లీ వీఆర్ కీపింగ్ ఓన్లీ ఫస్ట్ 5 or 6 classes we used to put. Entire course nobody will keep entire course in YouTube. సపరేట్ కోర్సెస్ ఉంటాయి కదా సార్, ఎంక్వైరీ చేయండి ఆఫీస్లో. లేదండి వేరే ట్రైన్ చెప్తారు. స్పీక్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ నో ప్రాబ్లమ్, యూ కెన్ స్పీక్ ఇన్ హిందీ ఆల్సో, ఐ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm telling there. See, nowadays might be demand is going on for Java, full stack Java development. Yeah, yeah. Definitely, sir. Then definitely here we are for the sake of that only. Definitely we will improve your confidence level, no doubt for that. We will improve your confidence level. Then at the end of the courses, you will be in a position to write any type of project. You will code any type of project at the end of the courses. Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. You are better to start with core Java classes there. From core Java onwards, you are going to improve yourself. So day by day, day by day, day by day, you are going to improve yourself just by listening to classes now. So you will get full knowledge. No need to doubt for that. No need to have any doubt on it. Then you will get full knowledge. Yeah. Do one thing. Then attend 3 to 4 days of classes. No. When you will come back? Hmm. Hmm. Anyway, do one thing. Then I think today you are leaving from Hyderabad, right? Tomorrow. Maybe on Monday class you are not attending, right? Monday class is available online also. Better to attend there on Monday. I'll give some analysis on Monday class there. Then what to do? Then what is the weightage of each and every course, that I will give information to you at least one more time. Within 5 to 10 minutes of time, I'll explain that. Then after that, I'll move on to the core Java. Attend that Monday's class. I'll give clear cut picture. 15 minutes of time, I'll give that clear cut picture there. Then give link which is he will give link to you. Attend through that webinar. Then you can. Sure, definitely. Not even single. Definitely. Yeah, sure, definitely. See, all people are sending messages to me. Then I'm giving reply for them. Okay, right. Thank you. And guys, and fee related thing, just contact with our Bhavani, which is she's in office there. She'll give more clarity on it. Okay. And fee related things and offers and everything, guys. Yeah, we can contact with office. Okay. Okay, guys, and anything else? And shall we meet on Monday? So I want to talk to you once I have some doubts. Monica, and just send a mail to this. Send a mail to this with your number. Then I'll be in contact with you. Okay, Monica, please send a mail to this mail ID. I'll talk with you later on. Not immediately. I have another class now. After that, I will talk. Whenever I am free, then I will make a call to you. Okay, right. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. And I'll meet on Monday. Monday we are going to see the next content. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, guys. We'll meet on Monday.